Hello my friend, today I'm gonna show you how to install a few plugs, a dryer plug and a regular plug.
Yes. Is this a recording?
First thing to do is to check the breaker to see if they're off. Just make sure it is off, don't try to play with it. So let's check the breaker, make sure they are off, and then we start the process. The brake box is right here. What I look, I see this is the washer brake, is a 220, it is off, and this is the one for the washer. So washer and dryer. Okay, let's do it. First I'm just gonna do the ground wire. This one is for the 10 gauge for the dryer plug. This one. And this one is a 14 gauge. You guys can see the difference for the ground. It's important that the ground are the right gauge too. So before I go there, I'm just gonna wrap this guy right there. I'm gonna tighten up. You can see on the plug I have a little hook. In this case I just do this. There it is. I'm just gonna tighten up. Since we have a little hose on the back to pull the wire in, so it would be not an issue. I'm just gonna tie the two screws up. I don't like to see them out this way, so I'm just gonna make sure they are in and flat. Oh, here we go. This is for a regular plug. Just gonna cut the right size that I need, more or less. Just gonna cut a little end of this. And then I have this wire in here because they are 14 gauge. I'm just gonna stab it right on the back there and right there. So I'm set to go. The way I'm gonna go with this is just like I just a little piece of the black wire in here. I know it's no power in there. I can't touch it, so nice and tight. This other one I will do the same thing. Nice and tight. Let me get another one here for this ground wire. Hold on a moment. And then I'm gonna tuck everything in the box. Make sure they're not touching each other. And like there you go. Okay, we good with that? Now we're gonna do this guy. This is you can see the difference. This one would be 4 wires, right? So you can look this way. See, this is the groundwater. And some of them they are marked where they say the color of the wire. Like here they have X and Y, and here say the white. So like you guys can see here, we have wire, one white, one red, one black. Now there's two here, we bring the 220 power. This one is for the make 110, and the process will be very much the same. So you guys can see the ground wire, we do red saying there, right? Ground. You guys can see, bang, X and Y. So it's just like here they say green. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. And there say white. So it's very hard to make a mistake. But if you guys have any doubt, just ask for help and call an electrician. I just show you that is green is for the ground, white is for the white, and this one doesn't matter which way it goes. Could go red, could go black, and it would work the same, right? Oh, you guys get it? Oh, the same way. I'm just gonna put this ground wire in there. You can see white, green, ground. Let's see my white wire. See how it is. This case I know that here is no power. Let me do this guy because I'm holding this thing on the hand. Now all we have to do is just follow what is there, like X, Y, green, oh white, sorry. By code is a 10 gauge wire, so we have this is a, you see it is thick, is a 10 gauge for the dryer. Just make sure they will stay there, and then we just tuck it in. This is sometimes it's just a couple wire is a little bit hard to push it in, but you can just push it in one by one and make sure the ground is back there, not gonna touch anything. And you guys can see here, I don't know if you guys can see, the ground is screwed back down the box the same way was this one. Now we're just gonna fit it in. Like I say, a little bit hard. There you go. You guys can see here on the box it has a place that you just push it in, slide this one down, put the other one in and tighten it up. I want the cable to tune this way because it's gonna be a stacker wash and dryer. But if in case you need, you can see here it has a Phillips spot that if this doesn't work the way you like, you can flip it around, tune it around. You can use this to put the screws, this spot, just so you can rotate any way you want. Like if the ground is not good this way, you just can rotate the other way and you're good to go. Thank you very much, guys. I love you, and we have a great video up there. If you want to keep informed, just subscribe and see you soon.